I am damn sure that by now you all have heard the exciting news. India has unveiled the names of its 4 courageous Viomnauts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these space pioneers, answering all the burning questions you have. Stick around till the very end for an intergalactic journey you won't forget. Now let's get started. Here's a list of questions we'll be exploring today. Keep your eyes peeled as we delve into question number 1, unveiling the mysteries behind India's Viomnauts. Question 1. Selection. How does one become a Viomnaut, a pioneer of the cosmos? What challenges did India's top test pilots face during the rigorous selection process? To become a Viomnaut, the selected test pilots of the Indian Air Force, IAF, underwent a series of intense evaluations. In 2019, the IAF invited applications from its experimental test pilots below the age of 39 with nearly 2,000 hours of flying experience. The Level 1 of Indian astronaut selection at the Institute of Aerospace Medicine included extensive physical exercise tests, lab investigations, radiological tests, clinical tests, and evaluations on various facets of their psychology. Question 2. Physical and mental endurance. What physical and mental tests did these test pilots undergo to prove their mettle? How did they prepare to face the incredible challenges of space? The selected test pilots underwent a battery of tests to assess their physical and mental endurance. This included rigorous physical exercises, psychological evaluations, and simulations of space challenges. These tests were crucial to ensure that the Viomnauts were not only physically fit, but also mentally resilient for the demands of space travel. Question 3. Training in zero gravity. Imagine floating weightlessly. Mastering the art of movement in zero gravity, how did the Viomnauts train for this unique experience? The Viomnauts underwent training in zero gravity aboard the modified Ilyushin Il-76 aircraft, also known as the Flying Laboratory. This aircraft flew in a parabolic pattern, creating short-term microgravity conditions. The Viomnauts experienced weightlessness during these flights, learning to move, work, and even eat in the absence of gravity. Question 4. Facing cosmic challenges. What dangers await in the void of space, and how did the Viomnauts prepare to overcome them? Space poses incredible challenges to human physiology, from loss of bone density to muscle atrophy. The Viomnauts trained extensively to mitigate these effects, with exercises tailored to maintain their physical health. Additionally, they underwent simulations of emergency scenarios, preparing them to respond swiftly and decisively to any challenges that may arise. Question 5. The flight in the Flying Laboratory. How did the modified Ilyushin Il-76 aircraft transform into a flying laboratory to simulate zero gravity? What was it like for the Viomnauts during their microgravity flights? The Ilyushin Il-76 aircraft was modified into a flying laboratory by transforming its cargo compartment into a simulated zero-gravity environment. During flights, the aircraft followed a parabolic pattern, creating short bursts of weightlessness. The Viomnauts experienced the exhilarating sensation of floating freely, adapting to the challenges and joys of life in microgravity. Question 6. G-forces and adaptation. How did the Viomnauts cope with extreme G-forces and the challenges of adapting to zero gravity? What training methods helped them prepare for these physical demands? The Viomnauts faced intense G-forces during their training, simulating the forces experienced during launch and re-entry. They underwent rigorous physical conditioning to build strength and resilience against these forces. Additionally, they practiced maneuvers and techniques to adapt to the unique environment of zero gravity, ensuring they could function effectively during their space mission Question 7, Culinary adventures in space. When venturing beyond Earth's atmosphere, what special considerations are taken for food? How did the Viomnauts experience the taste of home in the cosmos? The Viomnauts' diet in space was carefully curated to provide nutrition while considering the challenges of space travel. Special food items were designed to be easy to consume in zero gravity, with flavors reminiscent of home. Indian dishes like idli sambar, upma, and biryani were adapted for space, ensuring the Viomnauts could enjoy familiar tastes even among the stars. Question 8. Mental resilience and adaptation. In the vastness of space, how did the Viomnauts maintain their mental resilience and adapt to the unfamiliar environment? Mental resilience was a key aspect of the Viomnauts' training. They underwent psychological evaluations and participated in simulations to prepare for the isolation and challenges of space travel. Techniques such as mindfulness and mental exercises helped them stay focused and adaptable during their mission. Question 9. Simulating space challenges on Earth. What simulations and tests were conducted to prepare the Viomnauts for the challenges of space? How did they fare in the rotating chair of tests and trials? The Viomnauts participated in a range of simulations and tests to simulate the challenges of space. The rotating chair, also known as the multi-axis trainer, tested their balance, coordination, and susceptibility to motion sickness. These simulations helped the Viomnauts acclimate to the unique sensations of space travel and develop the skills needed for a successful mission. Question 10. The countdown to Gagaanyaan's mission. With their training complete, what lies ahead for the Viomnauts as they prepare for the Gagaanyaan mission? What can we expect from India's first manned space mission? The Viomnauts are now gearing up for the historic Gagaanyaan mission, India's first manned space mission. Their intensive training and preparation have equipped them with the skills and resilience needed for the challenges ahead. As they finalize their preparations, the nation eagerly awaits their journey into the cosmos, marking a new chapter in India's space exploration endeavors. And there you have it, the incredible odyssey of India's Viomnauts, warriors of the skies now destined for the stars. But their journey doesn't end here. For more cosmic adventures, click on the video on your screen now. Don't miss our next episode as we dive deeper into the mysteries of the universe. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic wonders. Signing off. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep reaching for the stars.